Hey, this is Louis from SoFly, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to build a beautiful web page using Oxygen's design library elements in literally 5 minutes. That's how quick it's going to be to build a great page. So we're inside of Oxygen here. We'll go to Add, and then we'll go to Library and Design Sets. And we got a bunch of design sets here. We're always adding more, and each design set is basically some pre-built pages and lots of sections and elements that you can combine. They all have a similar style. So this is Atomic, and you can see all the elements here. No matter how you combine them, they're going to look good together, and then you can customize from there, right? We got content, footers, headers, hero sections, people sections, pricing tables. We could go to dentist. This is a design set for like dentist or medical stuff, and see it's like blue color scheme and similar looking elements, so you can combine them, get a great site. So we're going to go to Hyperion. This is a really cool, like dark UI style design set. So I'm going to go headers, and then I will just add in this dark header, click it to add it to your page. And then below the header, I'm going to go ahead and add in like a title section here. So we could try maybe this one. But now I don't really see how my content's going to fit into this one, so I'll delete it. And then we could just add a different one. We could add in this one here. And then to customize this, we just click and edit. So say I want to edit this text, just double click. I just go, hi, I'm Louis Reingold. And then here, learn what I can do for your business. And then this font is like way too big, so let's like adjust the size. Maybe we could go like 120, too big. I'm using the arrow keys to shrink it. It's a nice keyboard shortcut. Okay, 108. And then let's add some space below this one. So we just click it and then drag on the edge to add space. And then we don't need this text. And then let's add some space on this button bar. So click the button bar and drag down. And then we don't need this button, so I'll just click it, delete, and then this one, double click to edit the text. So I'll just say contact me. Cool, and then let's customize the menu a little bit too. We'll go text, just to make it look good, make it a little smaller so those links don't wrap. Cool, okay, so this is what we got now. Okay, looks good. Let's go ahead and add in some content. So I'll go ahead and add, and then we'll go content. Let's add in this feature list. This will be like a list of services. So I'll change this to say what I can do for you, and then we'll delete that. Maybe I want to make this like a little bigger. Maybe I want to make it white. Okay, that looks cool. Maybe I want to customize it, add an icon above it, right? So I can just go back to basics. I can add an icon. See, these are super easy to customize. You can add your own elements, right? We add the icon, drag it above, make it white and bigger, and choose a cooler icon here. Yeah, see, that looks pretty cool. And then maybe we don't need this. We just click it, delete. Now I want to add some space below the text. So we just click the text and drag down. Then here I could enter in my services, like let's say search engine optimization, website design, ad campaign, planning, and let's say software development. And then say I don't need these two, I could just delete them, right? So I click this one, delete, actually just delete the columns that these are both in. Delete, now I got 4. And the great thing about customizing these library things with Oxygen is that Oxygen uses classes which lets you apply the same styles to multiple elements. So let's say you were using a normal page builder like Elementor, Beaver Builder, Divi. You customize, let's say, the styles of this element here. Then you're going to have to customize these 3 as well separately, manually. So it's going to be really annoying. But with Oxygen, it uses classes, so you're editing them all at the same time, right? So now we can change a font, changes it everywhere. So this really, really speeds up development time when it's easy to customize this stuff, and you're customizing all the elements at the same time instead of copying styles or duplicating elements and dragging them around. So that's really nice. Okay, then maybe we don't want this button, so you just delete that. And then let's go ahead and add in another section. We're actually, now that we customize this, let's make sure it looks good on responsive. So let's say we go down to less than 992. Yeah, it still looks good. Still looks good, still looks good. Okay, it still looks good, but let's say I did want to customize that, right? I could actually make the adjustments to the text size on responsive only. So all devices like that, page container like that, 992. It's like that. It's excessively big, but just to illustrate a point. Okay, cool. So now let's go ahead and add in some more content. So we'll go back to Hyperion. And you could use other elements too. You could mix and match them, but it's just not going to look. It's not going to have a, a cohesive style if you do that. So then you'd have to customize it a lot more. So, okay, let's go to Hyperion. Let's go to, okay, showcase. Yeah, let's say I want to show like a portfolio. I can change this text, say like my work. Maybe I don't want that there. Maybe I don't want this arrow. Delete. Maybe I want to adjust the spacing. Cool, and then I could just fill in all my own projects, upload my own images here, customize these button URLs, etc. So cool, okay, so now we've got our hero section, services section, portfolio section here, and then let's just add in a contact area. So go contact, add this in, and I don't really like this map down here, so I'm just going to click that and delete it. And let's say I wanted to put a map where I was. I just go to, let's say, this column here and go add helpers, Google Maps, and then you make this map. We go advanced size spacing width of, say, 100%. Add some space. Let's go back to height. Let's say it's like 400 pixels. No, it's too much. 300, 250. And then we'll put the address. I'm just going to put Telluride, Colorado, and we could zoom in a little bit. Not zooming out. I'm going to zoom in. Yeah, cool. Okay, so now we've added this contact area with the map that we customized. I could drop in a contact form here. It works with any forms plugin. And then for the footer, let's just go back to add library, design sets, Hyperion, sections and elements, and footers, and then we got the simple footer. And this is like a one-page website, so we don't need like that menu there or anything there. We may not need that. We could add in this, drag it down. Let's say we want to customize that link color to be the same pink, right? We could just copy that from somewhere else that uses it, and we go manage, settings, global styles, links, all links, and now the default's blue, but now I just change it to pink. And we can change the fonts here too, like go totally custom. So let's say we're going to go to global styles fonts. Let's use a cool font. Let's use Allegreia. Let's use Allegreia Sans. And what is Harmattan is a cool font for text. Yeah. Yeah, super cool. Or, I could even use Allegreia everywhere. I could use Allegreia Sans, and I could use Allegreia Sans small caps for the headings. That looks super cool too. Okay, cool. That is how to build a page with Auction. Let's save our work and take a look on the front end. And there we go. Quick load time too. Look at that beautiful page that we built. I don't know, am I out of time? Is it more than 5 minutes? Is it 10 minutes? Either way, it is quick. That is the fastest way to build a page with WordPress today. Super easy to customize. That is using Oxygen version 2. So check it out. Thank you very much for watching. If you're watching on YouTube, you should check out our Facebook group. We've got thousands of Oxygen users in there trading tips and tricks all day on how to build websites with WordPress. Again, this is Lewis from SoFly, and thank you very much for watching.